Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm actually going to answer a question that I got on one of my videos. The video was about how to make money online as an introvert. All right, and in that video I said how Kindle publishing was a great way for someone who's an introvert to start making money online. So I got this question, and hopefully you're watching this video. I appreciate the question. If you are watching it, I do read my comments. So the question he left was, hey, basically he said, is there any other ideas besides being a Kindle publisher, right? Do I have any other ideas? So absolutely, right? One of the best ways that you can start making money online as an introvert is no surprise to anybody who watches my videos. And that would be affiliate marketing, right? Affiliate marketing is actually perfect for introverts. Believe it or not, and I tell my wife all the time, she says I'm not, but I am an introvert. I think there's different levels of being an introvert, but you know, I'm not like a big people person. I seem like it in real life and even on YouTube because I'm in so many videos, but I am definitely an introvert. Right? Maybe a different type. I don't like being around a lot of people. I don't need people. I don't like to talk to people all the time. You know, I like to have a purpose when I'm dealing with people, right? I like to be to myself, all that stuff, right? So I can definitely relate. And affiliate marketing, it can be that money maker for someone who is a like hardcore introvert. You don't want to talk to people on the phone. You don't want to, you know, message people. You don't want to go out and like, you know, be social and stuff like that. You're just trying to get this money, right? And how affiliate marketing makes this possible is because there's so many different ways that you can promote affiliate marketing without having to be bothered, without having to deal with people, right? The first way that you can make this happen is YouTube, right? Well, let me take it back. First of all, you do need to have, you know, figure out what you want to promote, right? Figure out, you know, what you feel comfortable promoting, you know, and find you a product, right? Preferably with good commissions, but find you some, you know, a product or products that you want to promote, right? Once you have them, now you need your strategy. You need the strategy. How are you going to get your offer in front of people, right? But the key is you're an introvert, so you don't want to deal with people. You might not even want to be on camera, any of that stuff, right? But the first place you can start is YouTube. And you might be thinking, whoa, man, I don't even want to, I'm an introvert. I don't even want to be on camera, right? That's fine. There's tons and tons of videos that you can make without being on camera, right? You can do create video content that's nothing but little video clips. You can do slideshow style videos with actually text on the screen giving information. You can actually even have a family member or a friend or somebody like that, you know, do the videos for you. But let me take that back. You don't even want to deal with them. You don't even want to bother friends and family. You're an introvert, all right? So we'll just go back to, you don't have to be on camera, right? You can do, like I said, use video clips. Then you could do text or on screen, you know, for video content. All right. Another thing you can do is you actually can start your own blog, right? Being a blog, you don't even have to use your real name. You don't have to use your, you know, a real photo of yourself, any of that stuff. You can create your own blog, and where you can promote all kinds of different affiliate programs and earn from AdSense, all kinds of stuff. And that won't even be connected to you at all. All you need to do is drive traffic. Okay. So you could even use the same philosophy with like TikTok, Instagram. You can create accounts that's not even you, right? Or you know, you just run them, but you're not dealing with people. You're just creating content, and nobody knows, you know, who you are, right? No, you're not talking to anybody, right? You don't have to email somebody unless you want to. You don't have to, you know, have your phone number out there. You literally can just create little marketing campaigns, right, behind the scenes working in your own little office by yourself if you want to be, and make money, right? And you could do that because, once again, if you're doing things where you're not even on camera, or you're got a blog or a website or TikTok accounts and you're not being on camera, you can pretty much be in several different niches online. You could be in the entertainment industry, you could be in the sports, you can have sports stuff, you can have a jewelry, be an affiliate of jewelry company, clothing companies, dog supplies. It goes on and on, because remember, you're behind the scenes. You doing all your stuff, in your little home office by yourself, minding your business, or you're, working at the cafe over there in the little booth, right? By yourself with your laptop, making moves, right? So if this sounds like something that you want to get involved with, and you really like, affiliate marketing, I like this, right? You would definitely want to check out this video right here.